I think this type of innovation, this is kind of setting a trend moving forward. This type of innovation for artists, for keyboard shortcuts.
I don't think about what keys I need to press on my keyboard, I just use this controller.
I found it very useful, especially since I was using a smaller tablet, so sometimes navigating to the edge of the screen was really hard. Yes, it does save a lot more time.
If you're looking to add a new level of complexity to your workflow, at least temporarily, because I'm sure eventually it becomes a wonderful companion.
I would recommend this to anybody who is using a drawing program or anything where you're kind of doing this all day, Photoshop, Lightroom, where you're doing keystrokes. It's going to so speed up your life.
Just with the movement of a couple of my fingers, I can cover everything that I need to do in Photoshop.
도 수록에 무리가 없는 점이 좋았어. 내가 사용하는 단축키만 설정하면 되기 때문에 괜히 헷갈릴 필요도 없는 게 제일 좋고 촉감이 부드럽기도 하고 뭔가 쓰다듬기 좋은 촉감이라 그것도 좋다.
割り振ってで、こいつはペンの太さをね割り振ってるんですけど、これをね全部を片手の届く範囲でできるっていうのがなかなか.
이제 마우스와 키보드가 해야 할 일을 이 컨트롤러가 단 한 번의 클릭으로 바로 실행시켜준다는 게 너무 매력적인 것 같아요.
And here my brush is super soft, spin it a little bit forward and it's a bit harder, spin it a bit more, even harder, a bit more, and it's 100%.
I'm doing the scrolls, I'm doing the zoom in and out, I'm doing the brush adjustments, I'm doing the selection, and it's fun. And you can see I'm not touching my keyboard at all.
So I'm like, big stroke, and then I'm like, little stroke. Look at this. This is so cool! Oh no, I like it.
So I prefer to have something solid like this, and it's very easy to use. This is very, very helpful.
If you're like me and spend a lot of hours a day drawing or just working on your computer in general, this little dude is going to change your life.
However, I do like how compact and small it is, where I can constantly change where it's placed. But nowadays I really use it a lot, and it's making the workflow more comfortable for me.
I love the feeling of it. It's so cool to have both of my hands busy while I'm drawing. I feel like such an artist. I know it's weird to say, but it's true. I was a little worried that I would have trouble using it with my left hand, but there are absolutely no issues with it. I can multitask really naturally, and I don't have issues keeping my hand on the device while I draw.
It has slightly changed my life already, and I think the more I use it, the more it becomes a habit. It's going to just totally change my life.
This is meant to replace your keyboard. I really just think it's a good quality device, and I think it's not a waste of time or money.
So far, I'm planning to keep using TourBox. I think it's gonna be really cool. When I'm actually like drawing or something, this is super comfortable.